Hello and welcome class 7 students. In this class, I will end exercise 15 from the factorization chapter. Today, I will finish this exercise 15. Along with today's class, I will do few sums, and with this, I will end the chapter, end the exercise, not the chapter, end the exercise 15. So, please follow today's class carefully. Let's see sum number 18. In sum number 18, it is given that 17 p to the power 8 q7 r9 q to the power 7 r to the power 9 minus 51 p to the power 4 excuse me q to the power 3 r to the power 7 plus 68 p to the power 6 q to the power 5 68 p to the power 6 q to the power 5 r square. This sum is given to you. Now you have to solve it. You have to take the common factor outside the bracket, keep it outside the bracket. So 17 ones are 17. Up till so far you have learned how to take common, right? So 17 ones are 17, 17 threes are 51 and 17 fours are 68. So you can see 17 as the common factor in these three terms. So 17 you will keep outside the bracket. P to the power 8. Now compare the like terms. The first like term of the variables, p to the power 8, p to the power 4, p to the power 6. So minimum is p to the power 4. So far you have learned, by now you have learned to take the minimum power, variable having minimum power as the common factor. Q to the power 7, q to the power 3, q to the power 5. So q to the power 3 is common because it is minimum. R to the power 9, r to the power 7 and r square. R square we will consider as it is minimum. What is remaining is, here 1 is remaining which we will not write. 1 you may or may not write as a factor. Now this term minus this term, if we do the minus, what is the answer that we are getting? P to the power 8 minus p to the power 4 is p to the power 4. q7 q to the power 3 is q to the power 4. R to the power 9 r square is r to the power 7 minus 3. Why 3? Because 17 threes are 51. If we multiply 17 into 3, we are going to get 51. So 3. P to the power 4 minus p to the power 4 is 0, q cube is 0, r to the power 7 and r to the power 2, if we subtract, we are getting r to the power 5. R to the power 5 plus 68. 17 fours are 68, so 4 we will write. Then p to the power 6 minus p to the power 4, p square. Q to the power 5 minus q to the power 3 is q square. R square minus r square is 0. So this is the answer of the sum. After taking common, this is the answer of the sum. Sum number 18 this one is. Now we will solve sum number 19. Same way we will solve sum number 19. Let's see how we will solve sum number 19. So it is given in sum number 19 that we are doing sum number 19. It is given that 9a square b square c, 9a square b square c minus 27a b square c square minus 27a b square c square and plus 81a to the power 4 bc cube is equal to, what we will take common? We will take common 9, 27 and 81. We can see 9 as the common factor. 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27 and 9 nines are 81. So we will take 9 as the common factor. A square, a and a to the power 4. A is a common factor. B square and b. B is the common factor. C square, C cube. C is the common factor. So 9, ABC is the common factor. Why we have taken ABC? Because among these three variables, ABC is having the minimum. Here A is having the minimum power with 1, so A is considered. B is also having the minimum power over here, that's why B. And C is also having the minimum power in the first term, so C is considered. What is remaining, what is left over is 9 ones are 9, so 1 will be here, 1 you may or may not write as a factor. Then A square, B square, C minus ABC will be A and B minus 9 threes are 27. A will not come because A minus A is 0. B square minus B and C square minus C, so BC will come. Again plus 81. We know 9s are 81. A to the power 4. So A cube will come because A to the power 4 minus A cube. B minus B, B will not come. C cube minus C is C square. So this will be the answer. Answer we will leave up till this. You can see very easy sums these are. Only what you have to do is you have to take common. Now we will solve some of the sums from the beginning also. After sum number 19, I am rubbing sum number 19 and I am solving. Okay, let me solve next sum over here. If we solve sum number 12. In sum number 12 it is given that very easy sum. XPQ, YPQ and ZPQ. XPQ minus YPQ plus ZPQ. As you can see, PQ is a common factor. So PQ we will take common outside the bracket, keeping it outside the bracket, and X minus Y plus Z will be remaining inside the bracket. So this will be the answer. Again let's solve another sum. Suppose sum number, let's solve sum number 20. The last sum of the exercise, sum number 20. It is given that 15x to the power 9 y7 z5, 15x to the power 9 y7 z to the power 5 plus 45x cube y to the power 4 z to the power 8 minus 75x to the power 4, 75x to the power 4 y to the power 3 and z cube. So what is common? 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45, 15 fives are 75. 15 is common. X to the power 9, x cube, x to the power 4. X cube is minimum, that's why common. Y to the power 7, y to the power 4 and y cube. Y cube is minimum, that's why taken. Z to the power 5, z to the power 8 and z cube common, taken as a common. So you can see 15 x cube, y cube, z cube is common, and what is remaining is you have to subtract these variables from the first, second and third consecutively. So x9 minus x cube is x to the power 6, y7 minus y cube is y to the power 4 and z to the power 5 minus z cube is z square plus 15 threes are 45, x is cube gone, y to the power 4 minus y cube is y, and z to the power 8 minus z to the power 5 is z to the power 8 minus z to the power 3 z to the power 5 minus 75. 75 means 15 fives are 75. So 15 fives are the next 4, x to the power 4 minus x cube is x. Y cube minus y cube is 0 and z cube minus z cube is 0. That's why not taking those. So this is the answer of sum number 20. In this way we will take the common outside the bracket, keeping the leftover factors inside the bracket, so as if we can remove the bracket, it will get multiplied with the individual terms to give you this result. So in this way factorization exercise 15 is getting completed. In my next class I will start with exercise 16 of this factorization chapter. See the description. If there is any link given, please go through the link, click it and get the PDF where you can get all sorts of solved sums of exercise 15. So till then, goodbye.